y'all, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title of the video, y'all know what I am about to do today. But first, before we get into this video, I want to introduce you guys to my little business that I am doing. But you guys can also have your business as well. With all this crazy stuff going on in the world, everybody's losing. Well, not, I wouldn't say everybody, okay? I wouldn't say everybody. But most people are being unemployed and not getting paid. And also, stocks are going down and people are just panicking everywhere. So I just want to give you guys an opportunity to make money from home since we all are quarantined. Well, this company is called Total Life Changes. A lot of people do it. We make money from home. So what we do is we sell tea, we sell harmony drops, we sell a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm not going to get too into detail on this video. I'm just going to introduce it to you guys so you guys can decide if you guys want to do it or not, and you can make your final decisions when I do the full video and I can show you guys like what I do and everything. So I just want to, you know, sum it up and, you know, introduce you guys to it. I am doing this tea, and this is the ISO tea. I don't want to come on here and tell you guys a little fairy tale or anything. I'm just going off of my experience, what I've been using and how I've been using in the, you know, after effects. So this is the TLC. That stands for Total Life Changes. So everybody wants a change in life, you know. If you sign up under me, you get a full box of stuff. You get like tea, you get the energy pills, which gives you energy. A good thing about this is this makes you lose weight, okay? And that's what I am trying to do. Well, I'm not trying to lose weight, but I'm trying to like tone up, lose like some arm fat and everything. I've been using this, and I'm telling you guys, I will show you guys before and after pictures so you guys don't just go off of other people's results. You guys can see my results and how I've been using it and when I've been using it, everything. So right now it's about 10:30 and I have an empty stomach, and when you open this, it comes like, you know, other people's results on how they lost weight and everything, before and after pictures, you know, get to the gist or whatever. And then you open up right here. As you guys see, I've been using like, you know, some. So it comes with these little samples right here. They come in like little packs. I already made one. This is the packet that I use. All you need is to get a 16.9 fluid ounce water, and then you just use your packet, put it in there. And if you guys not a big fan of like, you know, nasty taste, don't worry, because this does not taste nasty. It doesn't have a taste at all. It just tastes like water. Also, I prefer using room temperature water or hot water, because cold water, I feel like it takes away the effect on like what it's supposed to do for you. Also, cold water freezes your fat cells so you won't lose weight. So room temperature water is my favorite. I'm trying to get used to that. If you guys want to join, make sure you guys slide in my DMs on Instagram, ITSSJOYN_. It will be on the screen below. And make sure you guys just hit me up. Let me know that you guys are interested. Or you can just drop a comment in the comment section, because I am going to be responding back to other people's comments to see if you guys are interested. And if you're not, then you always can purchase, just like if you want the tea by itself or if you want whatever is on, you know, the business. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Today I am going to be doing my in a rush makeup routine, okay? So I don't do too much on my face. I just, you know, get straight to the point. You know. So I am first going to be using my Soft Silk Fenty Beauty primer. Everything is pink. Nails pink, robe pink, hairpiece pink, beauty room is pink. Guess what, you guys? I am 95% done with my beauty room. As you guys see in the background, it's a little sneak peek. Your girl is almost done. I'm super excited. It's been a long journey, and let me tell you guys, pink is my favorite color. Pink, pretty, and polished. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. I'm going to be using this. You only just need like, you know, a nickel size, and this is really soft. Smells like flowers, and I'm just gonna, you know, put it all over my face, because you always want to moisturize your face. Also, if you want your makeup to stick, okay? All right, you guys, so after I apply the primer, I am going to take my eyebrow, a pencil. You know, when I'm in a rush, I just fill in my brows. I don't have time to draw them on, everything. And also, I am basically trying to let my eyebrows grow. If you guys see me looking up, it's because it's a mirror behind you guys. Alright, you guys, so my eyebrows is on and ready to go. Now I'm just going to take my concealer, my Fenty Beauty concealer. I really love Fenty Beauty, y'all. It's one of my favorites. I use their, you know, primer, their foundation, their concealer, their highlighter. I use all of the above. I'm going to take this concealer to go over my dark spots because your girl don't want to, I don't use a full face of foundation on my rush days. I just, you know, go over my dark spots, everything, and I'll just blend it in. I'm just basically going to be trying to give you guys a whole bunch of videos while I'm quarantining. Is that a word? Quarantining? I know quarantine, but quarantining. Okay, whatever. I'm going to try to give you guys as much videos as I can while we're quarantining. I'm trying not to, you know, go outside because I'm trying to, like, you know, practice social distancing. I went today to get like a few groceries and stuff, but it was raining. Your girl had to stand in some rain, so I had to come back, get in the shower. I laid down for a little bit, woke up, was like, hey, I gotta do this video, you know. But yeah, life is boring, but you know, it's kind of normal for us influencers because we don't really do anything anyways. Well, I can only speak for myself. But I can't just go out in public and be like, oh, this is what I want to do. So it's I'm kind of like used to this, but it definitely put a limit onto stuff that like I can't go and do. Like, you know, go shopping, go to the mall, hang out, you know, the normal. But everything will be okay. But that's what I've been doing while I'm quarantining, you know, just cleaning. I've been cleaning, been chilling. I've been doing it all. That's my life. And I have a whole bunch of videos I have in store for you guys while we're quarantining. So guess what? If you guys have a YouTube channel, obviously you do because you're watching my video. But if you guys upload, I will watch your guys' video as long as you watch my videos. But you guys just have to comment and let me know what videos you guys gonna upload and stuff, or if you're gonna upload. So now that it is all blended and everything, I'm going to take this concealer and I'm going to go under my eyes just to give a little highlight, and above my forehead and on my chin. And then I'm just going to, you know, pat it in. Oh, that rhyme. And pat it in. So after I am done blending my concealer, I'm going to use this Sephora Micro Smooth. This smooths out your face so good. So I really like using this over my face. It makes it really smooth, and this has like a little color to it, so it gives my face a little, you know, color. So I'm just gonna, you know, dab, tap, and just go over my face. Okay, so next, after I smooth out my face, I am going to pop some lashes on. Alright, you guys, so my lashes are on, and I did my bottom lashes as well. These are actually magnetic lashes. This is my first time using them. I don't know how I feel about them. I have to, like, you know, look in the mirror. But so my last thing, what I use is my I'm not gonna put color on my lips, so I'm gonna just use some gloss to, you know, juice my lips up. And last things last, I'ma do some last things last, I'ma do some pop. I'm gonna do some highlighter. I'm gonna take this flat brush, and I'm gonna just, you know, go over like this. Shimmy, 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 shake. Alright, you guys, so that is all for my rushing makeup routine, tutorial, whatever y'all want to call it. You guys should definitely post a video on how you do your routine or whatever. And if you are a guy, just do like your morning routine or whatever, you know. Start posting so you can get paid, and you know, so you can hop on the money train. And also make sure y'all go get y'all tea. I'm gonna keep telling y'all every single video, go get y'all tea, go get y'all tea, go get y'all tea. And also, if you guys want to see other videos such as working out, such as quarantine routines, such as prank calls, I could prank call your grandpa or your grandma or your uncle or your auntie or your cousin. I could prank call. I could do a whole bunch of stuff. So just let me know in the comment section, are y'all down to watch it? And also, like I said, if y'all watch my videos, I'm gonna watch y'all video. And if y'all ain't got nothing to do while you're quarantining, eating, make sure you guys just watch my videos. But with that being said, I love you guys. Make sure you guys go shop your tea. It will be in a link below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.